Hi everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. If you know me, you'll know that I am a memory hoarder. I love documenting everything, which is why I make vlogs. And I'm always taking pictures and videos to look back on and really preserve the memory. And also because I have bad memory, so if I document it, I'll remember what I did that day. But something that I've always been drawn to are instant cameras. There's just something charming about taking a photo in the moment and then it prints out right away. And now you have a physical keepsake of a time in your life, a memory that you really wanted to document and remember. So I was super excited to try out Kodak's new instant camera and photo printer line. Big shout out to Kodak for partnering with me. Kodak is introducing their new Era line. They have new photo printers and instant cameras, and we'll get into those. So right here I have the brand new Mini Shot 2 Era. It is a photo printer and an instant camera. So the photo size of the Mini Shot 2 Era is 2.1 by 3.4 inches. And the reason why I opted for the smaller size is because I personally like smaller photos. If I were to put them up on the wall, it would look better to me. All the instant cameras and photo printers have Bluetooth capability, and it's integrated into the Kodak photo printer app where you can print photos straight from your phone. You can add a filter, adjust the brightness, add a border, and I think it's really cool to have a two-in-one. In case you want to print photos from a while back, I would say though that if you are printing a photo, make sure that the resolution is decent, because if the digital photo is low resolution, you'll definitely see it in the physical print, and the app will usually give you a warning if the resolution is too low. The photo printer uses 4-pass technology, which is really cool. When you're using the app, it'll show what color it's going through. So it'll go from yellow to magenta to cyan to laminate. You see the whole process of the photo printing going in and out of the printer. I think it's really cool. Maybe I'm just easily amused. So if you're familiar with Kodak, you'll know that they do have another photo printer and instant camera line called Retro, and the Retro line has a more cute and simplistic aesthetic, while the new Era line draws inspiration from the iconic Kodak 35mm films, as you can see by the hand grip, very reminiscent of that. The Era line aims for a more chic and modern look. I chose the black color because I just like the look of neutrals, but the black and yellow is definitely Kodak's signature look, so that is an option if you like that colorway. And it's not to say that the Era is better than the Retro or vice versa. It's more of a preference in aesthetics, some minor software updates, and the biggest change is that the Era offers a wide range of printing options, which we will cover. I prefer to take pictures vertically and not so much like a square, which is why I went with this photo size, but they do have a Mini Shot 3 Era and Mini Shot 4 Era. The Mini Shot 3 Era offers 3x3 prints, while the Mini Shot 4 Era offers 4x4 prints, which is a groundbreaking achievement. This is the first product that's capable of printing 4x4 square size photos, which is awesome and so great that Kodak offers that option. And if you don't have a use for an instant camera and you just want to print photos from your phone, they do have photo printers of different sizes. The Mini 2 Era prints 2.1 by 3.3 photos, the Mini 3 Era prints 3x3 photos, and the Dock Era prints 4x6 inch photos, which is one of the biggest in the market. So I wanted to test the photo print quality of the instant camera versus my phone. So I'm gonna try my best to take a selfie in the same angle, same lighting, and then we'll compare both prints. Actually, I have a better idea. I'm gonna put the camera on a timer and then lay it against something so that I get a pretty similar angle. Yes, that's cute enough. Okay, I'm gonna start printing it. Print. Now it's printing. It's done. Let's take a look. Hey, that's actually really nice. The quality is a lot better than I expected. It's like sharp. It's not blurry. Okay, let's try with my phone and see how that goes. I'm gonna click the photo, click edit, print. Here it is. I'm not gonna do any edits. I'm just gonna print it as is. Okay, it's done. Let's compare it. So I actually retook the picture just to get the angle as closely as possible. I didn't film the printing process, but it's the same thing, you get the gist. So here is the iPhone print and here is the instant camera print. I think I got the angle pretty much down. Obviously you're gonna get a wider depth of view with a phone. I don't know if you guys can see, but the iPhone print is a little blurry. It's not like the most in focus. And then if you look at the instant camera photo, it's very sharp. It has that grainy effect that's reminiscent of film cameras, if that's something that you're into. Some people like it, some people don't. I actually really like grain. It adds like some texture, and even like the coloring is different. Through the app, you can also apply like filters and adjust like saturation and brightness, all of that. But as you can see, there's two very different effects. It's all up to preference, playing around with it, adjusting things to your liking to achieve the look that you're going for. And I'm really impressed with the camera. I thought like the phone quality would be better, but not necessarily. And that is the comparison test. You are welcome. I do like the saturation of the photos. Some instant photos can be like more muted, less vibrant, but the photos I've printed so far have been pretty true to color. I received the gift bundle, which includes the Mini Shot 2 Era, 68 sheets, a photo album, a protective camera case, a sticky magnetic sheet, a glass photo frame, photo holder, clothespins and a line, magnets, and a cute keychain. The glass frame is really cool. It protects the photo and is also just a really simple and great decorative piece. I can't wait to add more photos to the album. It's going to be really fun to look back on. This photo clip makes displaying your pictures super easy. You can take the camera case with you on the go to protect it. It has an opening for the printer so you can still print photos while the case is on. To take photos with the camera, you'll have to take off the cover. I really appreciate that the entire Era product lineup uses cartridges made from 100% recycled plastic and uses eco-friendly paper packaging, which generally consumes less energy compared to manufacturing of plastic packaging. The new Era cameras also have an autofocus function, allowing automatic focus on a subject so that the photographer can take sharper photos. Their face detection feature allows facial feature identification and distinction from non-face objects, thereby enabling clear face shots. There's also an improved user interface which allows efficient switching of settings and 8 user languages from Korean, English, Japanese, Chinese, German, Italian, French, and Spanish. So that is my review of the Mini Shot 2 Era. The whole Era line has so many new products, so you should definitely check them out. All the products can be found on Amazon. I will link everything down below if you're interested. Let me know if you've used any instant cameras, which one's your favorite. Have you tried the retro? Are you interested in trying the Era? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!